Hello, bruv. I'm back with more of The Advent of the Cosmic Viewpoint by Bryant, Reeve. Kind of get sidetracked adding new books to the selections that no one reads, but it don't matter to me. What the hell does that matter to me? Chapter 2, Comments regarding the Cosmic Viewpoint. A few comments regarding the Cosmic Viewpoint seem in order. Today, we hear a great deal about the fourth dimension, also about higher planes of consciousness, and those who live in higher vibratory frequencies of energy and in higher aspects of matter. In trying to gain a better understanding of such things, we learned what we believe is a vital point within the cosmic viewpoint, and we hereby invite attention to it. It refers to cosmic laws. Most human beings regard the laws of nature as being fixed and unchanging, and so they are within a given level of life. But as we rise to higher levels of consciousness, as we attain higher viewpoints of life, then the very laws of nature tend to change also. The electrical phenomena of life change, the energies of life are different, the norm of living changes, the actual realities of life are different. The limitations become fewer. The very facts of life change as we rise in consciousness. This is why miracles are possible. They are not violations of cosmic law. They are manifestations of higher laws, which become available to higher levels of consciousness. This is difficult for those steeped in the three-dimensional realities of life to understand. But as we seek sincerely, greater truths beyond the physical do unfold. The great masters and teachers actually live in these higher viewpoints and laws of life. That is why they can be of help to us. Their real effort is to raise the viewpoint of their followers and to show them how this may be done. Then the student can avail himself of these higher laws of life. Thus, there are laws and facts of life appropriate to each viewpoint, to each level of consciousness. For example, gravity is a fact of life appropriate to the three-dimensional viewpoint. Anti-gravity or levitation is a fact of life appropriate to a more cosmic viewpoint. Death is a stark fact of life to the limited viewpoint, but death was not factual to the Master Jesus. Else, how could he have raised his friend Lazarus from the dead? The importance of viewpoints is only beginning to seep into human consciousness. Relationship to the New Age. The cosmic viewpoint, as stated, seems inextricably interwoven with the Aquarian Age. To us, it seems important to understand this. A great new age is unquestionably dawning for Earth. Earth is already entering the new cosmic cycle. Whether man recognizes this or likes it or not does not change this great cosmic fact. Most of the advanced New Age teachers agree that this indicates that there are great changes ahead along the following lines. Our entire solar system, along with other systems, are all moving into new areas of space. This will change the juxtaposition of many astronomical units and bring us under the different radiation and influence of certain large suns. This changing cosmic radiation will lead to great and accelerated evolutionary progress on our planet. We are passing out from certain cosmic influences and entering new ones. Some teachers say that a great 72,000-year cycle is now ending, simultaneously with lesser cycles. Apparently, we on Earth are taking part in a vast cosmic drama, which is destined to change the very nature of life itself on our planet. As we see it, the cosmic viewpoint represents the very spirit of the New Age. It is the genesis, the essence of the great changes we are going to face. A great new viewpoint of life, a higher level of cosmic consciousness, is being beamed to us from outer space. We are entering a different cosmic atmosphere, a different sea of cosmic energy, a higher cosmic vibration than ever before. We are moving into a different awareness of life on a higher level. The cosmic viewpoint, or at least a degree of it, is now enveloping Earth, and everything connected with this planet is being affected. Everything is being intensified. A new norm of higher reality is descending upon us. This will, in time, dissolve and supersede the present limited human viewpoint of life. Source and authority. Someone may ask, what is the source of this cosmic viewpoint? What is the authority for it? We would almost like to answer cryptically, thinking, and put a period after that and remain silent. Or possibly we should say thinking and seeking, because a cosmic law is always acting to bring finding to the seekers. But some further explanation seems in order, because there is really no mystery about it. One might ask the question, just whose thinking are we referring to? Just our own thinking, or our own seeking? Just the ideas of two people? No, indeed. Please understand that this volume is a synthesis, a compilation, a composite of what we regard as the best research thought available on this subject today, from all possible sources, both ancient and modern. We ourselves started out with the most modern sources, the spaceship phenomena and OSC, outer space communications, and then worked backwards to the great so-called ancient, occult, or hidden teachings. We were delighted to find that the great cosmic principles set forth in these diverse sources were substantially the same. Thus, we feel that the cosmic viewpoint as we present it simply equates the ancient and modern wisdom. We also drew heavily on a third source, the fact that there are in this civilization, walking earth in human form, souls of great cosmic discernment, illumination, and attainment. Their views, humbly sought, not only amplified but correlated the views of the other sources. Thus, we present the cosmic viewpoint as a briefing, a synthesis of the most valid information we have been able to find. In a decade of sincere research regarding the great changes coming to this planet in this age. Also, kindly note this: many writers have dealt with the material changes which the new age will bring. They have outlined the new transportation, the new conveniences, the new gadgets which unquestionably will come to us in the decades ahead. But we have been more concerned with the mental changes, the character changes, the spiritual changes, the higher outlooks, the deeper understanding of the meaning and the purpose of life, and the greater awareness of divine nature of man himself, which the new age will surely bring. Not new. We realize that certain aspects of the cosmic viewpoint may seem startlingly new to those who are just beginning to take an interest in cosmic truth, in contradistinction to human beliefs. Much of it was startling to us at first, but it is really known truth to those who have risen above the sea of human ignorance. Thus, the cosmic viewpoint is far from being new. It is in truth as old as life itself. It is the ancient gnosis, the ancient wisdom that has appeared in inspired teachings, messages, and writings all down the ages, from the Vedic hymns to the latest in OSC. As stated, it is that which shines through the teachings of all the great philosophers and poets. In allegorical form, it appears in all the great religions of the world. It is the mystical teachings in earth's religions, the hidden teachings. It is also the intuitive knowledge of existence, which comes in silent meditation to sincere seekers of truth. It now flows through the pens of many New Age writers and channels. It is the essence and substance of all truly great inspiration and revelation. The wonderful thing about this age is that the great cosmic viewpoint of life is no longer shrouded in secrecy. It is now available to all who wish to partake of it. But it is not for everyone. No, it is only for those who are ready for it. Also, whether we like it or not, it acts as a cosmic flail to separate those who are ready for it from those who are not. The ferment on earth. A great teacher once said to us, the limited viewpoint of life on earth is in trouble. Yes, we believe this to be true. The limited human viewpoint is indeed in trouble, and it seems likely to be increasingly so, until it finally gives way to the cosmic facts of life. How much longer can the cherished and sacred guarded beliefs of the limited human viewpoint withstand the onslaught, the avalanche of incoming cosmic truth? We are entering a fantastic moment of truth for the entire human race. In fact, it is a sustained movement of cosmic truth in the human consciousness. Everything that can be shaken is in the process of being shaken. Everything we believe to be true is being challenged by truth itself. This world is in a ferment so deep that our very basic concepts of reality are being questioned. Backward races are awakening and throwing off their shackles, demanding freedom and a place in the sun. We face great upheavals in economics, government, education, medicine, religion, all human activities. Everything is entering a state of flux. Rockets, missiles, satellites, and telestars are coursing our skies. Flying saucers are knowed, and yesed by high authorities. Tremendous human ideologies are in mortal conflict. War has ascended into the mental realms. Inventions and changes come so fast, man has difficulty in keeping up with them. Fantastic machines like Frankenstein monsters threaten the security of man who makes them. Science and a penchant for physical security and defense has produced weapons of such destructive power that they can now destroy the planet itself. The vast majority of mankind lives in a veritable psychosis of fear. Those who still remember their Latin may indeed exclaim, Quo vadit mundus, the value. The old order fadeth. This is obvious. But what lies ahead? This is not so obvious. What can any of us do to keep a sense of peace and balance amidst the accelerating changes which are engulfing Earth? One friend of ours exclaimed, what is happening to us? I used to think I knew something. I once had a comfortable norm of life. Now I feel uncertain about almost everything. I have no real sense of normality anymore. My associates seem to be in the same boat. What is it all about? What is happening to us? Someone may ask, what is the value of the cosmic viewpoint to me? Good question. We can only answer from our own experience and that of those we know. The value, is simply this. It gives to those who gain an understanding of it a tremendous perspective on the whole gamut of changes which the world is going through. It gives them a peek behind the cosmic scenes. It reveals the cosmic causes behind the effects that so disturb us. It discloses a great cosmic plan behind all the ferment, which, believe it or not, is cosmically good. And when we gain even a little of this great perspective, we too see the good that is unfolding and not become hypnotized by fear and the negatives of human life, which are in the process of being changed. The great cosmic viewpoint puts an entirely different light on what is actually knowable by man, while he is still in physical form. From the higher plateaus of understanding, which it helps us to attain, it discloses strength instead of weakness, dominion instead of fear, and cosmic sanity right in the midst of what appears to be human insanity. If we are going to look at the changes now occurring on Earth and those ahead with a negative pair of glasses, we are surely going to get lost. But equipped with cosmic spectacles, we can see through the house cleaning that is now going on, to the beauty and the grandeur that lies beyond the turmoil. In our thinking, the impact of the new age on our human institutions has barely begun. The impact eventually will be incalculable, tremendous, overwhelming. The limited viewpoint is not only in trouble, it is moving toward its inevitable demise. It will be swallowed up in the more cosmic viewpoint of the Aquarian Age. We are entering the space age, the cosmic age, the start toward the golden age of this planet. The old negatives, the old beliefs, the old blind faiths are not adequate for what lies ahead. The limited view is on the skids. The greater view is replacing it. The cosmic viewpoint of life is reactivating itself upon Earth. It will fulfill itself. It is here to stay, whether we like it or not. To resist it seems fatal. The preservation of our very sanity requires our effort to understand it and to work with it. It is the coming norm in which we on earth must learn to live, or we shall perish. So why not be wise, be foresighted, and prepare ourselves for this incoming cosmic viewpoint? This book is an effort to alert mankind to the great cosmic forces now operating on our planet and in our civilization, to show the direction in which the cosmic winds are blowing. It is also a humble endeavor to assist mankind in preparation for the vast changes we face. We wish to do what we can to ease the gigantic impact which cosmic truth is bound to have on our human values. Why not prepare ourselves step by step for these greater truths which are incoming, but of which mankind as a whole is not yet aware? Why not get used to the higher realities right now, which may seem so far out, but which unquestionably will be the norms of tomorrow? Should we not ready ourselves now to step out into higher realms of consciousness? Surely the wise will heed the signs of this great age of awakening and will avail themselves of all possible aids in attaining the higher degrees of cosmic consciousness now being reborn on earth. Those who will do this will reap a great reward. They will not be too startled or thrown off balance by the changing courses of events. They will know that security is a matter of consciousness. Moreover, these prepared souls, these cosmic pioneers, for that is what they are, will be able to elevate themselves to such solid new age heights that they can act as lighthouses and powerhouses to their less fortunate brothers. They will not be afraid because they will understand what is happening on this planet, and therefore they will be able to allay the fears of others as great changes come. The cosmic viewpoint thus helps to elevate the individual on a cosmic scale of being, which will stand him in good stead in this life or any other life, anywhere. It will also fit him to be of help to others here and now. This, as we see it, is the value of the cosmic viewpoint in life. All right, bruv. That's all for now. Next time, the fragmentation of truths, chapter 3. Goodbye.